Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do this dressing table. Okay, so our client they have a wardrobe, okay, with dressing table. Okay, but we can do like this. Okay, usually we will use here or system cabinet. You may see dressing table, or usually lah. Okay, however today I'm gonna use this one. This one wardrobe. Okay, to do this dressing table. Okay, let's start with it. Okay, you just drag a box, right? Or this one, you drag a wardrobe first, or then you delete the banner you don't want, make it something like that. Then after that, okay, we drag one for this one, or we drag one for this. Okay, just right click, okay, add panel or add panel. Okay, paste the panel. Okay, so we add one box there. Let me see. Okay, like this lah. Okay, never mind. Don't have box here, never mind. If don't add cabinet, yeah, just add one box first. Or actually a lot of things they're done already, or they're done before also, but never mind, we just add one box first, then we decrease it lah. So this one I'll put 400 lah for the drawer. Okay, and this one elevation I'll make it up like 500 or 500 or 600 better lah for the feet. Okay, elevation 600, enter. Okay, minus 600 lah. If you cannot control, never mind, minus 600. Okay, something like this. Maybe too big but never mind lah. Later you adjust yourself the scale. Okay, so here we continue, right click, add the drawer only. So let's see the drawer first. Add function part. Okay, let's say here don't have add function part, never mind, we add here. Add function part. The first one is drawer, so I'll just select the drawer, stacker drawer. Okay, a normal drawer. Okay, drag one normal drawer, put here. Then you can change the size. So this one I'll put 200 only lah, because I divide them as 200. Maybe even less. This one I'll put 180, or cause at the bottom here raise up a bit. Okay, so here I will add another 28 lah, 28. This one is come out, sorry. Okay, so this one I will need it go up a bit lah, to make some effect like this. Okay, no, I'll just change the door lah. Sorry, change the door. Simple. I'll change the door. Okay, select it. Maybe decrease it a bit. Okay, pick B box selection. Control Z. B box selection. Okay, decrease it a bit lah. Minus 10 roughly. Then make it up 10. Add 10. Okay, so some effect lah. This one all depend on you lah. Okay, after that we just drag one something like this lah. Okay. Let me see. Right click, exit the box selection, right click, add function part here. This one I will choose this one. Okay, just drag only, put inside. Okay, then adjust the size or no choice. Not everything adjust directly, so maybe this one I'll decrease 10. Okay lah, the hand can masuk. Okay, this one okay also, or something like this. And this one is the glass, right? According to that, so I select B, select it, become glass, make it become glass. So I'll just right click or change material only lah, very simple. Glass, clear glass. Okay, become glass. So after that we left this one on the top here, a cabinet and sliding door. This one favorite lah. Okay, same thing like I told you, everything inside, right click, add function part only. Okay, so you see something design like that, you just drag out lor, or maybe have, who know. Okay, if don't have, we create ourselves, never mind, like I told you. Or everything we can do. Swing door, no need. Decoration. Okay, let's see a mirror option. We have mirror here, later we can put sliding cabinet. We got cabinet here, so I can put 4 box also. But usually I drag a big box lah, okay? Usually I like this one empty. So I drag this one, I create myself. Okay? Never mind, I create myself. Okay? Then change the depth first, so simple. Make it 300 lah, usually we can put thing 300. Okay? Then let's see, okay, just put 1 board and 2 board. No board here. Okay, so sad. Never mind. We create ourselves. Or anything don't have, we create. Drag this one to the neutral. Okay, remember I teach you in the class. Right click, evenly divide 1. So smart this one. How come this one so smart? Never mind lah. Make it 0. Okay. Adjust it a bit. Okay. Okay, correct. Then we add another one. Right click, add function part. Drag this one. Okay. Then how many board? 4 board. 1 or 3 board. Right click, 3. Then for the sliding mirror, remember I told you this one we can play like this. Okay, but I try this one first. See can put sliding or not by using add function part. If can, then save our time a lot. Like the mirror we saw before. Where's the mirror? Decoration, mirror on the wall. Okay, something like this. Okay, then you choose a mirror, just drag it, mirror put here. Okay, put inside here. Put inside here. Drag to out of the one. Okay, then ignore it lah. Ignore. Okay, so we change the size first lah. As you can see, this one is 110. So the mirror I put 110. Okay. Then the panel here 472. So this one 472. Okay. Then just change the rotate it. Rotate Z 90 degree only. Okay. Okay. Of course lah. They have a certain depth here, so we change it the depth 300. Okay. You can adjust it lah if you don't like, or you want to have some open space, then you make it 50 maybe. Get open. Okay. Okay. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.